Junkies, welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, December 1st, 2010. Today we had a total of 5 executable trade signals for a max potential of 3 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups, give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning around 1197. Started pushing immediately higher, and this was after a huge gap up overnight. All of our internals were extremely to the bullish side, so there was an opportunity to trade these micro pullbacks all the way up. We do not do that as a normal plan, course action for our trade setups, but obviously on a strong bullish day like that, those micro pullbacks work time and time again. And ultimately it wasn't until 10 o'clock we had news come out. The market actually traded down through our moving average, gave us an opportunity to get short. Just a quick touch to the tick 3 times, and then a short move to the downside, T1 and T2 for 6 ticks to the downside. And then basically the market would just move sideways for a good portion of the day. Finally came back through our moving average, gave another signal to the long side. Again, a small micro, T1, T2, 6 tick. And that was basically it for the morning session. So a lot of us in the room, we just trade the morning, so 12 ticks and done. And what happened at lunchtime, the market just immediately popped, made a nice run up to the upside. There were some upside targets there. We had some room members. We were shooting for that 1206.75, 1207 area. And you can see it went through that by a few ticks. Actually found some resistance and came back down through our moving average. And we don't do anything. This red zone here, this is just the what we call the lunchtime dead zone. We wait for that to come and go before we initiate any new trades. And we actually had a setup here, and it's really unfortunate, this trade. It came down, hit our entry to the tick, only one candle, so no fill. There were some folks obviously that got filled, but hardly anyone. So you might have been able to get to a reduced risk if you were one of the lucky ones. But assuming you weren't, we're going to say we had that position still on. Came down, filled us as it was moving back down through its moving average. So we're going to go ahead and count this one today as a T0 minus 14. Again, you might have been filled, you might have had a reduced risk trade here, but only one bar, very few people got filled. We're going to go ahead and say that you didn't get filled until it came back down, and we're going to count it as a full stop out. T0 minus 14 on that particular trade. Then there was a little bit of sideways chop, had a signal coming off of that level to get short. Again, same thing. T1 you were able to get. T2 we didn't get the follow through to the downside. Needed another couple of ticks here to the bottom in order to get targets 1 and targets 2. So we're going to count that as a T1 minus 2. And then ultimately, there at the very end of the day, the market did come back through our moving average, pulled back right at the 2:30 reversal time frame as it was pulling back here, reversed, and continued its trade there. T2 plus 7, and that was it for the day. So much ado about nothing. We had the big gap up. Market basically trade sideways today. There was a couple opportunities early on. If you escaped at noon, you probably did a plus 12, but if you stuck around and grounded out for the entire afternoon session, we had 5 trades for 3 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room or video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.